Hello students, welcome to the channel ganitachatsali. Today we want to discuss about different types of matrices and its mathematical form. So I will discuss first about non-singular matrix. What is a non-singular matrix? The matrix, suppose A is a matrix. If its determinant is not equal to 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. Then symmetric matrix. What is a symmetric matrix? A matrix, suppose a matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix if its transpose is equal to this matrix. A transpose is equal to A. This is called symmetric matrix. Its mathematical form will be if a matrix if matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aji, where Ij varies from 1 to n. What is I? What is J? I is row number, J is column number. I will give you an example. Suppose A is a matrix. A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. What is its transpose? Transpose means we will interchange the row to column and column to row. That means the row change to column, the row change to column, and column change to row. That means its transpose will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. Here A transpose is equal to A. So the matrix will be symmetric matrix. Then skew symmetric matrix. What is a skew symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if its transpose, suppose A is a matrix, if A transpose is equal to minus A, then the matrix will be called skew symmetric. And its mathematical form is Aij is equal to minus Aji. Suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 0, 4, minus 4, 0. Here diagonal elements will be 0 for skew symmetric matrix. See, its transpose A transpose will be 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0. Take a minus common, it will be 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 0, 4, 3, 4, 0, which is minus 8. Minus 3, minus 4. So here A transpose is equal to minus A, so the matrix will be skew symmetric. Then orthogonal matrix. What is a orthogonal matrix? If a inverse of a matrix, suppose A is a matrix if its inverse will be its transpose, then the matrix will be called orthogonal matrix. That means A, the product of A and its transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to identity matrix. That means its transpose, if A is a matrix, its transpose will be its inverse. This is called orthogonal matrix. Then null matrix. What is a null matrix? Suppose A is a matrix. If Aij is equal to 0, then the matrix will be called null matrix. That means all the elements of the matrix will be 0. Suppose A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. This is called null matrix. Then a diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? What is its mathematical form? If Aij is not equal to 0 or I is not equal to j. I and j varies from 1 to n. Then the matrix will be called diagonal matrix. For example, here I am taking an example. Suppose 2 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 4. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Here non-diagonal elements are all the non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are non-zero. Any non-zero number. Diagonal elements are any non-zero number. So this is called diagonal matrix. Then unit matrix. What is a unit matrix? Matrix if Aij is not equal to 0 and Aii is equal to 1. Ij varies from 1 to n. Suppose A is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is an example of unit matrix. Then lower triangular matrix. If Aij is equal to 0 for j greater than I. I is row number, j is column number. For example, see A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Here, when j greater than I, this element will be 0. That means column number. When column number greater than row number, then the element will be 0. Here, j is greater than I. This is I. This is j. Here, j is greater than I. So this element, and this element will be 0. So this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. And rest of the elements are non-zero. This is called lower triangular matrix. This is a lower triangular, so the matrix will be called lower triangular. Okay. Then upper triangular matrix. Here Aij equal to 0 for I greater than j. That means row number is greater than column number. Suppose A is a 3 by 3 matrix. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here the number of row number is greater than column number. Here I is greater than j. Here I is greater than j. Here I is greater than j. So these elements are 0, and all other elements are non-zero. So this is called upper triangular matrix. This is a upper triangle, so the matrix will be called upper triangular matrix. Then tridigonal matrix. What is a tridigonal matrix? The mathematical form is Aij equal to 0, I minus j, mod I minus j is greater than 1. Suppose A is a 3 by 3, 4 by 4 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. When I minus j mod greater than 1, then Aij equal to 0. See, when the row number the difference between row number and column number is greater than 1, this element will be 0. So the this is I and this is j. I minus the difference between I and j, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this element will be 0. Here 4 minus 1, this is 3. So this element will be 0, and this element also 0. And here 1, 3. So the difference is 1 minus 3 mod, which is 2, which is greater than 1. So this element will be 0. This element will be 0. 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. The mod of 1 minus 4 is equal to 3, which is greater than 1. This element will be also 0, because mod of I minus j is greater than 1. So this element and this element are 0. These elements are 0. So this is a tridiagonal matrix. Here there are 3 diagonals, so the matrix is called tridiagonal. Then I want to discuss about diagonally dominant matrix. So what is a diagonal dominant matrix? Its the mathematical form is suppose A is a n by n matrix. If its mod of diagonal element is greater than summation of other elements, summation of other non-diagonal elements, then it is called diagonally dominant matrix. I am taking an example. Suppose A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Here in the first row, the diagonal element is 3. Suppose this is minus 3. Its absolute value is 3, which is greater than summation of other non-diagonal element in the row. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. In the second row, absolute value of diagonal element is 4, which is greater than summation of other non-diagonal element. In the third row, so this is a diagonal. Then permutation matrix. What is a permutation matrix? A permutation matrix is a matrix whose each row and each column contains only one. That means a matrix will be called permutation matrix if its each row and each column contains only one and all other elements are non-zero. Each row and each column contains only one and all other elements are 0. Here each row and each column contains only one and all other elements are 0. This is called permutation matrix. Also you can write this is also called permutation matrix. Also the unit matrix will be called permutation matrix. Okay. Then hermitian matrix. What is a hermitian matrix? Suppose A is a matrix. Hermitian matrix, it is denoted by A star or A H. A star if matrix A is equal to, where A bar is equal to A bar is called complex conjugate of matrix A. Then the matrix will be called hermitian matrix. I am taking an example. Suppose A is a matrix. This is 2, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, this is minus 3. Complex conjugate of matrix A will be 2, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, minus 3. That means where there is a complex number, you take its conjugate. So this is the conjugate matrix of A. Then find out its transpose. Then its the transpose of this matrix will be 2, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, minus 3, which is equal to A. This is the matrix A. So this is the hermitian matrix. This is the example of hermitian matrix. Then unitary matrix. What is a unitary matrix? If A inverse is equal to complex conjugate of this matrix and its transpose is equal to A inverse, then the matrix will be called unitary matrix. Then and the last one is a normal matrix. What is a normal matrix? The matrix, suppose A is a matrix. If A into then the matrix will be called normal matrix. Okay, thank you.